Hey, welcome back to the channel. We have got a new attachment by Precision Manufacturing. This is a grapple that we're going to show on our channel. This is ours and we're going to keep it. All right, so this is the Mini Rake model 322. This is a skid steer attachment type. They also make one for the John Deere quick attach as well. Now this Mini Rake is actually made for like your subcompact tractors and your small compact utility tractors. This particular tractor I have it on right now is actually a little bit too big for it. What you're getting with this is a lightweight, really well engineered strong grapple that a subcompact and say a 2,500 pound utility tractor, compact utility tractor, really don't have. They just don't have the power to damage it. So it's got double gussets. It's got gussets on every tooth. You see the gussets going on each tooth, and it has it's got dual cylinders for left and right. So if your load is uneven, one can close down more than another. And it's all CNC cut and it's all USA made with USA made steel. That's one thing Precision Manufacturing is really passionate about, is keeping people to work in the United States. So I am proud to partner with them, and we're going to show this dude work quite a bit on the channel over the next few years. And we got something else we're going to show you from them as well. And I'm telling you right now, that is interesting. So you got to wait for that. That's a surprise. So what we're going to do today is we're going to take this grapple, pick these logs up, set them on the sawmill. We're going to saw one more log for Miss Jody, and then we're going to take all of the rest of the remaining logs to the farm so that we can process those over there and process them as we need them for what we need. So let's get started. All right, we got some sawmill blades from Cook's Sawmill, and these are 10-degree blades. Let's see if we can get into there. They should be very similar to the Frontier Sabertooth. They are quite a bit less expensive. I say not quite a bit, but they are some less expensive. And that's how they come. Surprisingly, they look pretty much just the same. All right, so we're going to throw this big old pine log up. This dude is, this way is about 22 inches, and this way is probably about 24, it looks like. So we'll lay it up on the sawmill like this and take our first cuts and see if we can skinny this dude down. This end over here is, let's see, it's about 20 inches. Pretty round here. It's about 20 inches by 20 inches here. So we're in good shape, and it's let's see, I believe this one's about 12 foot long. We'll double check that. Yep, this is a little bit over 12 foot long. So we left some room on the end. Got some dirt and some nastiness here we need to look at, because that's terrible for them blades. We don't want that. A lot of log, and I'm off center. So this grapple is made out of something. Mr. Bill told me about what it was made out of. It's a really hard steel. 450, maybe it's hard ox or something along that line. It's a really hard steel, very strong steel. Not cheap at all. I think I might be too far that way. I believe I'm okay. So this is a brand new cooked blade, 10 degree. We're going to run it through this. This is 12 inches wide. We're going to be cutting 2x12s. So this is going to give me a good understanding. I cut a lot of 2x12s with the Frontier blades, the saber tooth blades. So this is going to give me a really good understanding of how the cooked blades hold up against the saber tooth. So let's get at it. Here it goes. So here is let's go ahead and clean this off. You can see I try to be as steady and the cut as I could be. Honestly, guys, the Cook's blades are a little bit less expensive. I can't tell any difference in how they cut between the Cook's and the Sabertooth. They feel basically about the same. So anyway, this is what it looks like. Okay, check out this Miss Jody. Hey, what do you think?
I love it.
She snuck up behind me here. Look here. Old growth southern yellow pine. These are 2x12s. These are true 2x12s. Bunch of 1x's in here. It's going to be some really good stuff. Just let it dry a little bit. I can't wait to see what's going to happen. So we are done. Are you happy?
I'm very happy.
I'm excited about it. You got anything you want to tell all of your friends out there?
Hi, y'all. Hi, family and friends.
Look here, we have corrupted her. She says y'all. Hi, y'all. Hey, we really appreciate you watching our channel. If you like what we do, hit that thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. That lets you, and the little bell icon, that'll let you know when we put out something new. God bless and have a great day. Bye. What we need to cut when we build the barn. So to save time and I had a really, oh, that plane's loud. That really distracted me. My fun meter's pegged out.
All right, what's the plan now? Move, do something, do what?
So